In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for changing the transmission fluid in a standard transmission. In this step, we're going to talk about locating of our drain and fill plugs and placement of our drain pan. I'm going to go ahead and roll underneath the vehicle now. The drain plug and fill plugs are going to be located on the same side of the transmission case. This one right here is my drain plug. You can see it's actually labeled drain right here. The fill plug is located, like I said, on the same side, but at a much higher location right here. This one's actually labeled fill as well. I'm going to take my crescent wrench and go ahead and break them loose. I'm going to take the fill plug out first. You don't have any danger of anything leaking on us by removing the fill plug. That's the fill plug right there. The actual size is a 15/16. You may have to use a wrench or a socket to break it loose if it's excessively corroded or somebody over tightened it. This is my drain plug. I'm going to go ahead and break it loose. It's a righty-tighty, lefty-loosey kind of bolt. And there you go. You're not going to want to screw this one out yet. As you can see, there's a little bit of oil just starting to burgeon out from there. What I'm going to do is just leave it finger tight, roll out, and place my drain pan, and then commence the unthreading until I have the bolt all the way out, and then we'll drain the fluid. That is the proper way to locate your drain and fill plugs.